Hello! In this lesson, we will also perform operations related to comparing ratios. In our question, information is provided about the amounts of garlic that two people named Tyler and Jordan used in their prepared tomato sauces. Let's see what has been asked, what information has been provided. Our question part is as follows. If we eat a cup of tomato sauce prepared by these two people, which one has a stronger garlic taste? It is felt more intensely. Now, first of all, we can write a ratio. For Tyler, for the tomato sauce, he prepares 3 cups of sauce and uses 15 grams of garlic. Jordan, on the other hand, prepares 5 cups of tomato sauce and uses a total of 20 grams of garlic. What is important for us here is the amounts of the sauces they prepared. They need to be equal amounts. Right now, these amounts are not equal. One prepared 3 cups, the other prepared 5 cups of sauce. If you want to understand which one is denser, you first need to taste them in equal amounts. That's why, in such questions, if you can simplify the ratios, you should try this method first. Look, in our first ratio, I can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. If I divide by 3, the numerator becomes 1 and the denominator becomes 5. What does this mean? This means that Tyler used 5 grams of garlic to prepare 1 cup of tomato sauce. Let's look at our second ratio. I can divide the numerator and the denominator of our second ratio by 5. If I divide both by 5, I get 1. When I divide by 25, I find 4. What does this mean? Jordan used 4 grams of garlic to prepare 1 cup of tomato sauce. Now, you have 1 cup of tomato sauce prepared by Tyler and 1 cup prepared by Jordan. If you eat both, which one has a stronger garlic flavor? Of course, it's not the one prepared by Tyler, right? Why? Because the amount of garlic in his sauce is more than the amount of garlic in Jordan's sauce. Therefore, our answer is that the garlic flavor in the tomato sauce prepared by Tyler is stronger.